NTT Media Intelligence Laboratories have developed a new loudspeaker technology called active sound control, which brings only the target sound to the listener without using earphones or headphones and without causing sound leakage. Let me explain how it works. Normally, loudspeakers emit the sound in all directions, causing widespread sound leakage. When you attach a loudspeaker on a board, called baffle, the sounds from the front and back of the loudspeaker cancel each other at a slightly more distant spot. The area where the sound is audible becomes slightly wider than when the loudspeaker is used without a baffle. However, the sound leakage becomes larger. To further reduce the sound leakage, another loudspeaker is added on the baffle. First, play the sound with the upper loudspeaker. Then, the lower loudspeaker plays the same sound with a reversed phase. In this situation, the two sounds have different phases and so do not cancel each other near the loudspeaker, but have the same phase and so cancel each other further away. The area we can hear the sound becomes a little narrower. Moreover, the sounds coming from the back of the loudspeaker further intensify the sounds near the loudspeaker and cancel each other further away. In this way, the sound is easy to hear only near the loudspeaker. This technology creates the ultimate sound environment in many situations, such as enabling plane passengers to enjoy a movie without earphones, and enabling each passenger in a car to enjoy different music.